Hello friends, how are you all? Hopefully you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. Welcome back on my channel Trendsetter. So once again I collected for you guys the amazing and stunning designer wear of face mask collection, which are so designer stylish, shiny, pearls style and beautiful amazing style to wear in the combination of your dresses, which are so perfect and stylish to stay safe from this coronavirus. So for the safety of virus pollution and from so many bacteria, you can wear this type of mask in the combination of your dresses. So firstly you will be safe, and secondly you will be look stylish, which is the most important thing nowadays, to look stylish. So wear this out so you guys will look so stylish, stunning. And this whole collection is about the latest wearable for girls to style and wear this type of mask, so you guys will look so stylish and stunning too. Every type of beautiful designs, styles of mask you guys can get from this video. All our designer wear stylish collection. You can wear it with your jeans collection, with your leather outfit, and from other outfits too, and you guys will look so stylish and stunning, and you will be safe too. For your safety, mask is so important nowadays, so wear this type of mask and you will look so stylish and stunning too. So this is the most amazing beautiful designer wear of mask, so you can easily wear it with your every type of dresses and the combination of and every type of color you will found in this whole video. So I hope so you guys will get many designs from my videos, and my video is helpful for you to make your outfit beautiful, stylish with this type of mask. The stunning sequin style and many more stylish, shiny stone style, lace decorated style, every type of collection you will find in this video. So hopefully my video is helpful for you. So watch this video, get your designs, make your outfit beautiful. You can wear it as a bridal wear, and you can wear it as a formal and casual wear, as a party wear. All are so amazing designer collection. So hopefully you guys will get many designs. Watch this video, get your designs, give your positive feedback in the comment section. Do you like my videos and collection? If you guys want to watch any other collection, any other designs, any other mask collection, you can tell me in the comment section. So I will bring more collection for you guys, so you can get many more designs from my other videos too, and from this video, from my previous videos. My all videos will be helpful for you. Like and share my videos with your friends and family, so everyone will be safe and look stylish.